Alright guys, we're back. We got the Monero versus the Bitcoin here. XMR BTC. Interesting situation we got here. It looks like this pair is beginning to reverse, right? It's beginning to bottom out. It was trading on the downside for quite some time, but then it started to build up that potential trading range that I was trying to follow up here. We had that first leg going forward, followed by that next downside leg, took the previous low, and then began to trade sideways in a lower scale trading range. Very, very tight, very narrow. But I actually think that price could reverse and produce the next upside leg, meaning it could take a few weeks to get to the higher section here, starting with a level of 0.017. For where we're trading right now, we're talking about roughly 30 to 35% of potential return, which is pretty nice. But I do have a trigger level, so this is not fully prepared to engage with yet. Meaning, I mean, obviously we're talking about Monero outperforming the Bitcoin for the first time within quite a bit of a time, right? I mean, price was so weak when it comes to the Monero. The Bitcoin was just doing much better up until, I would say, probably a couple of weeks ago. Now we're looking at this obstacle that price is obviously is engaging with right now as we speak, and this is my first official trigger level, 0.013. Right? I'll take you inside the daily chart. You can see the daily was already crossing that obstacle, 0.013 here. We see that daily close yesterday. That's a first indication that price may actually make it and break through. We do need a weekly confirmation. Right now, we don't have that yet. We actually have kind of a suspicious move. We see that spike starting to form. So price was already trading above that key level, but it's coming back right now. We're getting closer to the end of the week, and I have a feeling price may actually be failed. Basically, it would be failing to break through, and in that case, it could just go right back into the lower section again, right? So I'm going to use this level as an official trigger, and later on, if price can break above the top key level here, 0.014, we also have another one right close by, 0.014 again, 14.4 and 14.6. Right, so if it can make it above these two key levels, it's going to be confirmed that we're looking at a genuine upside move, and the Monero is going to be attractive much more than the Bitcoin in this case. Aside from the fact that it's easier to know which coin here might be doing better, I should also mention the fact that the Monero versus the Bitcoin is pretty highly correlated with the rest of the market. So breaking above that obstacle here, 0.013, could mean that the market as a whole might actually be bottoming out and preparing for the next bullish move. So it should be interesting to follow up on this one. That's exactly what we'll do. That's about that for today, guys. Till next time, be well.